Perched on the serene shores of Čikat Bay, Hotel Bellevue is a breathtakingly situated sanctuary of wellness, elegance, and sophistication. Hotel Bellevue is a captivating retreat that seamlessly merges indulgent wellness with the rich maritime history. Designed to resemble a luxurious cruise liner, the hotel boasts flowing lines and elegant features, evoking the charm of classic cruise ships. Hotel Bellevue believes dining should be an experience that elevates every moment of your stay. With a variety of breakfast options designed to satisfy every palate. Whether you prefer a light continental spread, an indulgent buffet, or a healthier start with fresh juices and organic selections, it's the perfect way to begin your day before venturing out to explore or unwind by the sea. The hotel's exquisite à la carte restaurant, where Japanese-inspired elegance meets modern culinary innovation for a delightful lunch or dinner. Offering a more relaxed yet equally sophisticated atmosphere, Bellevue showcases the best of Mediterranean cuisine. Known for its vibrant flavors and locally sourced ingredients, Bellevue embraces the spirit of coastal dining with a menu that highlights fresh seafood, rich pastas, and seasonal vegetables. The hotel offers an impressive 185 rooms and 21 suites, with options ranging from spacious premium atrium rooms to the plush presidential suite, which features 3 double bedrooms, each with their own private entrance. Every suite is beautifully illuminated with architectural lighting designed by Dean Skira. Each room features elegant minimalist decor, with luxurious furnishings, plush bedding, and modern amenities, designed to provide the ultimate combination of comfort and style. The spa at Hotel Bellevue offers guests a serene haven where luxury and tranquility combine in perfect harmony. Spread across a generously sized space, the spa is designed to cater to every aspect of well-being with distinct areas that offer both rejuvenation and relaxation.